Assalamu alaikum. I'm going to make pumpkin halwa today. So let's make it. The ingredients for pumpkin halwa or pumpkin sweets are I've taken 2 kg of pumpkin and boiled it. So this is the net result, you can see. Then I have taken almost 1 cup of sugar, white sugar, 200 gram of sugar. The third ingredient I am taking are 5 to 6 cardamoms and 150 ml of ghee or oil. So let's start making. In a pan I have taken the 150 ml of ghee. Now I am adding coriander to it. Let it start simmering, then we'll do the rest of the procedure. Now you can see the cardamoms are simmering, so I'll be adding pumpkin to it. So it has a lot of water in it. Put it on a low flame. Just mix it a while and then add sugar and cook it. Now you can see after cooking for about good 7 to 8 minutes, the water is dried out and you can see the oil is coming out. Now this is the point when it's done. So this is how it's done. And you can also serve it by sprinkling different dry fruits on it, almonds, etc. because almonds go well with it. I'll not recommend raisins. If you like it, so you can add it. Otherwise, almonds are enough. Oh, now pumpkin sweets or pumpkin halwa is ready to be served. Enjoy. Bye.